Ayush, okay, how to start with web design? Which technology should I learn, and how can I start with freelance web design? Okay, so Ayush, when you're talking about web design, so there are two parts. Okay, one is the web design, in which you are mostly designing a website, okay, or you are designing a web application, okay, in which the main technologies to learn is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the main technologies which are going to help you in doing web design. Okay, now if you do web development, which means you are connecting the design to a database or to the programming part of the application. If you want to do web development, then you will need to know programming languages like JavaScript, uh, or PHP, or ASP.NET, or Java, or Python. Okay, that will help you, or Ruby. Okay, so that will help you in doing web development. Okay, for web design, only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is more than enough. Okay, now you're saying, how can I start as a freelance web design? Now, how to start in web design is, the easiest way to start is, first you gather the skills. Okay, and how do you gather the skills? Either you take up a book on web designing and you master that book. Okay, the first time I learned programming, it was Visual Basic programming. I bought a Mastering Visual Basic book, and in 1 year, I read that book 5 times. Okay, so I started immediately. As soon as I got the book, I took the book and I started programming immediately. I started writing code and everything immediately. Okay, but every time, so I completed the book once, I learned a lot of things. I started the book again because there were new things that I was learning as I was reading again, because now I had experience. Okay, so within 1 year I had read the book around 3 to 5 times. Okay, so within 1 year I had mastered Visual Basic. In the same way, if you want to master web design, you can start with a book and you can learn everything that is there in web design. Okay, another way to, if you want to learn things faster, is by doing an online course. Okay, you can go to some of the most popular online courses. Uh, you can find that I have a website. What I have done is I have compiled a lot of courses which are available. In that you will find web design, web development courses, and you can see those courses and you can decide if you want to do those course from there, or you can go to Google and search for a web design course and do a course which will also give you some kind of a certification. Okay, that is required. Now, how can you start freelance web design? Okay, freelance is a business, which means you need to learn how to run a business. Okay, I would, from my experience, I would advise that when you are learning web designing, it is better to get a job and work under somebody to understand how the projects are handled, to understand how the delivery to the client is made, to understand the entire process of building a web application, okay, where your design skills will be useful. To understand that, it will be very useful. Or you work for some freelancers. Okay, you work under some freelancer, under the guidance of some freelancer, to understand how the freelancing thing works, and then you go and start finding freelance jobs. Okay, another tip I will give you about freelance is, first try to get local clients. It is easier to handle local clients. If you just try to get online clients, it is a very challenging thing. If you are learning web designing and you are also trying to learn how to do business, you are also trying to learn how to get clients for freelancing, then it becomes challenging if the clients are not local. So first try to get local clients, and once you are comfortable, then you can go to global clients. Is that okay? I hope, Ayush, this helps you. I hope that you get started on web design and freelancing as soon as possible. It's best wishes from me on that.